Hey Gregorio, I just got off the phone with Andrea. It's Devin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix really easily so you can start beating repair my AC unit whenever somebody types in Pflugerville air conditioning service. You're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago a lot of small business owners are so busy running their business they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that whenever I make these attack plans and just give them away, a lot of people call me back and ask me to help them out with this. Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and try to help you out. I'm going to talk to you about content, backlinks, and citations. And your website is a great looking website, by the way. I really love the design of it. I love the photos, how they have that like scrolling effect. You have some really nice trust factors on here, calls to action. You have a lot of great looking things going on. What Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here that you can read, all this fresh content that's new. And they want to see a lot of it. The average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words. If I take all the content on your page and I put it in this word counter, it says you have 111 words. Now your main competitor repair on AC unit, if I go, whoops, that's not what I wanted. If I click right here and I take all of theirs and we go put theirs in the word counter, these guys have 1,000. So they have a lot more than you, but they're still not at 2,000 words. So by getting 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. One last quick tip is you want keywords inside of your content. So if I go and I search, you don't have that anywhere on your page. So when you write those 2,000 words, put Pflugerville air conditioning service in your content. That'll help you rank for it. You can also save your image as that. Oh, I can't see, but any images you can save as keywords too. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important. Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other trustworthy websites vouching for you, but they want to see relevant links. So you get a lot more power if you have another HVAC website linking to you versus if you had Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you don't sell pizzas. So I use a tool to check out backlinks called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. There's free tools out there. Just look up backlink checker or look up keyword planner. You can find all the stuff I'm showing you on this video. It says you have one website linking to you. If you go to repair my AC unit, they have 32 websites linking to them. The easiest way to beat them is to just copy them and add more on top. So I would just go visit this list. I would go visit every single one of these websites that they have, and I'd put a link on that website pointing back to my website. If the links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. And if you follow just those 2 tips of the content and the backlinks, that's how you end up beating them organically. If you want to beat them with ads, you need to you just need a bit higher than your competitors. If you want to be number 1 in the map pack, this is the best place to go. This is where the most traffic is, and it's free to get here. What you need is more citations than your competitors. A citation's anywhere where your name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories across the web. A directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, anything like that. What I would recommend you did was figure out what directories Even Air was listed in. I put myself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. So if they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in 300. And that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and sweet and to the point. As a quick recap, you're going to want 2,000 words on this homepage. You're going to want to put you're going to want to have these websites that are linking to repair my AC unit linking back to you, and you want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Even Air. If you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become number 1 across all of Google. I recommend you get started on this as soon as possible because it does take time to implement everything. The sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of it. If you want any help, or if you have any questions, or you want someone else to do it for you, give me a call. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, Gregorio.